For the last few days the pups have had to risk sleeping out in the open without any protection from predators. But then this evening the alpha female found a termite mound and cleared out an already made burrow. These burrows are probably initially made by ant bears and then utilized by other burrowing animals such as warthogs, porcupines, and even hyenas. When the work's all done for them, the pups just can't wait to investigate their new home. Should any danger arrive, the pups will take refuge in this hole, while the adults deal with the problem. At least for now, while the pack hangs around here, the pups will be safe.